Dangerous cargoes are classified according to their properties and the type of risk they present. The main types are: number 1, exclusive. These are substances or articles that can explode due to heat, shock, or friction. They can cause blast damage, fire, and flying debris. Examples include ammunition and fireworks. They are very sensitive and must be handled carefully to avoid accidental detonation. Number 2, gases. These are substances that are compressed, liquefied, or dissolved under pressure. They must be flammable, toxic, or non-flammable but still dangerous. Flammable gases can easily catch fire. Toxic gases can harm people when inhaled, and non-flammable gases can cause suffocation if they replace oxygen in the air. Example: LPG, propane, butane, oxygen, chlorine, and acetylene.
Number 3. Flammable liquids class 3. These liquids give off vapors that can easily ignite when exposed to heat, sparks, or flames. They usually have a low flash point. Example: gasoline, diesel oil, kerosene, ethanol, paint, acetone, and alcohol. They can cause fire and explosion if not stored properly. Number 4. Flammable solids, class 4. These are solid materials that can easily catch fire through friction or contact with heat. Some can ignite spontaneously or react dangerously with water. Example: matches, sulfur, magnesium powder, sodium metal, and calcium carbide.
Number 5. Oxidizing substances and organic peroxides. Oxidizers do not burn themselves but can by supplies oxygen and make other materials burn more intensely. Organic peroxides are unstable and may explode or burn rapidly. They require strict temperature control and separation from the other cargo. Examples: ammonium nitrate, hydrogen peroxides, potassium permanganate, organic peroxides, resins. Number 6. Toxic and infectious substances. Toxic substances can cause serious health effects or death if swallowed, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. Infectious substances contain harmful microorganisms that can cause disease in human or animals. Examples: pesticide, cyanide compounds, arsenic, medical waste, clinical specimens containing bacteria or viruses.
7. Radioactive materials class 7. These materials emit radiation that can damage living cells. Exposure must be limited and controlled using special packaging and shield to protect people and the environment. Example of this: uranium, plutonium, radioactive isotopes used in medicine like cobalt 60 and the nuclear fuel rods. 8. Corrosive substance class 8. These substances can destroy living tissue and damage metal or other materials upon contact. They can cause severe burns and structural damage. Example of these: sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sodium dioxide, and battery acid.
Number 9. Miscellaneous dangerous goods class 9. This includes substances that present a danger during transport but do not fit into other classes such as environmentally hazardous substances and lithium batteries. Examples: lithium battery, dry ice, solid carbon dioxide, asbestos, environmentally hazardous substances, airbags. Each type of dangerous cargo has specific handling, stowage, labeling, and documentation requirements to ensure safety during transport by sea or air.